Have you ever thought you'd never be able to trust again? After a breakup, that feeling can be overwhelming. You might question your value and your ability to love. But here's a key truth. Broken trust doesn't mean a broken future. You absolutely can rebuild trust gradually and sincerely. Begin by confronting the reality. You can't repair trust while pretending nothing went wrong. Reflect on their actions and how they affected you. Did you overlook red flags? Did you lose yourself trying to salvage a struggling relationship? Acknowledging this isn't a weakness, it's your true strength. Healing starts when you let go of denial. When trust shatters, it can shake your intuition. But keep this in mind, your gut isn't broken, it just needs nurturing. Start with small steps. Keep promises to yourself daily. Eat when you plan to. Rest when your body requires it. Speak up if something feels off. These little acts of self-honesty mend the foundation that betrayal fractured. Trust isn't just blind faith. It's a blend of clarity and compassion. It's about being truthful with others while also safeguarding yourself. Wanting to embrace love again isn't foolishness, it's courage. As you begin dating once more, take your time. Clearly communicate your boundaries. This isn't about shutting people out, it's about welcoming the right ones in. Boundaries don't frighten genuine love. In fact, they draw it in. Forgiveness isn't merely granting someone another chance, it's about reclaiming your peace. You forgive so the past can't dictate your future. Your next love deserves a fresh slate, untainted by past experiences. You will love again, and you'll do it with more wisdom. Broken trust hasn't ruined you, it has shown you how to safeguard your peace. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to CozyBond for more genuine conversations about love and healing. In the comments, let's chat. What's been your biggest challenge in trusting again?